My name is Bipasha Kaur and I'm a manager in the TQA COP in Hitachi Consulting over here. I have overall 13 years of work experience, out of which the last 2 years I've spent here in Hitachi Consulting. The reason why I chose to join Hitachi Consulting a couple of years back is because I was excited to come to work for one of the world's finest services company. With company having offices located all over North America, Middle East, Europe and Asia, and with its customers counting on the Fortune 100 and Global 100 list, I was really looking forward to working with global teams. In the short period of time that I have worked here in HCC, I have had the opportunity to work on several challenging projects which have actually helped me improve in my areas of expertise. It's always very rewarding to work with some of the greatest and smartest people in the industry. And trust me, Hitachi Consulting is buzzing with such talent. Dynamic culture, dynamic company. It is clearly a company about people. And I would like to say here that this company gives equal opportunities to women employees as well. The other reason for joining HCC was the investment that the company was making in itself. When I was interviewing with Hitachi Consulting, it was quite clear that time itself that the company had a very clear vision about where it wanted to be in the future, and it was making the right decisions, taking the right steps to achieve that. Working here, I have realized that this company is one of those companies that is not afraid of any change. And that's the greatest way to be in the world today to be successful. The biggest gain for me during my tenure here in Hitachi Consulting is the overall learning experience I've had here. No matter how many years you've been working, no matter how good you are at the work that you do, there is always scope to learn more and grow more. And Hitachi Consulting provides all its employees consistently with the opportunities to learn and grow. Amongst all other things, one thing which I've really come to appreciate about this company is that once you are ready to move on in your career or in this company, there are always opportunities within HCC to do new work, to move to another business unit or to another department and try your hands at different things, at new opportunities. And the company actually encourages its employees to do that. It's a good company, it's a good corporate that thinks beyond itself. Some very good examples are the company's keenness towards eco-awareness, its initiative towards making a greener environment, and some of the very strong work it does in the area of corporate social responsibility. Hitachi Consulting has a very clear vision to innovate for a better world for the future, and I'm very proud to be working for a company like that.